Hello guys. So I haven't made many videos in a while because I've been very busy, and I am still very busy, but somehow I managed to find time to make this video, so here we go. A few weeks ago I purchased this off of eBay, and it was not cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but I saw it, and the minute I saw it I wanted it, so I got it. It is a Fantom, and it is an 11 amp Fantom. It is not a Thunder. I'm not exactly sure what exactly the deal was with this particular model, because the Fantom Thunder was released in 1995, and that's about when this machine was made. So I'm not exactly sure what the deal was, especially considering the Thunder was a 12 amp model, but I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, this machine came from a department store called Montgomery Ward. More specifically, it came from Montgomery Ward's division, Electric Avenue, and it is completely sealed. In the 20 or so years this vacuum has been around, it has never been taken out of the box, never even opened. So I decided finally that today is going to be the day that the box is going to be opened. However, the machine is not going to leave the box at all, because I already have 3 or 4 Fantoms very similar to this machine at home, so I really don't see the point in taking it out of the box, because then, in my eyes, it would then be technically considered used. So it will not be coming out of the box, but I am not gonna lie, I am very, very, very curious to see what I will find when I open up this box. So let's take a look at it. You can see it says Fantom, no filter bags, powerful all the time, 2-stage motor. So those are all the graphics. HEPA filter. Now, at the time this vacuum cleaner was made, HEPA filters were really not a common thing on vacuums, so that was like a very new thing at the time when this machine came out. This has a copyright date of 1994, although I do not think that's when this machine was actually shipped out. I'm gonna guess this was actually shipped out in either 95 or 96. As seen on TV, the infamous Fantom infomercial. But considering this box is over 20 years old, it's actually in pretty good shape. So you can see there's more information on here. So let's look at the bottom of the box. It's upside down. Okay. So, to Montgomery Ward, and that's the Fantom serial number. And there were 20 vacuum cleaners that were shipped to this Montgomery Ward. 20 Fantoms, so that's interesting to know. This one's number 7. I own appliances, Sunwell Drive in Buffalo, New York. It is only about 80 or so miles away from my house back at home. Let's look at the top of the box. So, Omaha, $329.99, which was not cheap for a vacuum cleaner at a department store back in the day. After inflation, that would be over $500 today. So this Fantom new cost pretty much what the most expensive Dyson costs today. But yeah, it was shipped on April 26th. I just don't know what year it was. What year April 26th? 30 pounds. But you can see that these metal staples are still in here, which tells me that this thing has never even been opened. But I made the conscious decision that today I am going to open it. So I am, because I figured I paid enough for this machine that at least I should see what's inside. So let's get going. I'm just worried, almost hoping I'm not going to regret this, but let's see. Alright, that's one side. So I got these sides out. I have to do this. I don't even think that we had an electric avenue where I'm from. I know we had Montgomery Ward, but whenever we did, it's long gone. So now I have to take out these pins. I'm gonna try to take these out as carefully as I can. I do not want the box to get damaged. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very exciting